How do we add dissimilar fractions? There are three ways on adding dissimilar fractions. Let's start with the cross multiplication method. The first step in this cross multiplication method is multiply the denominator of the second fraction to the numerator of the first fraction. So, 2 times 5, that is 10, plus, because it's addition, 3 times 1, that is 3, over the product of the denominators. 3 times 5, that is 15. Then add 10 plus 3, that is 13 over 15. So this method is called cross multiplication. It's sometimes called butterfly method because it looks like a butterfly. Let's try another example. 2/7 plus 3/4. Multiply 2 by the denominator 4, that is 8, plus 7 times 3, 21, over the product of the denominators, 7 times 4, 28. 8 plus 21, that is 29 over 28. If it's an improper fraction, convert it to mixed number. 29 divided by 28 is 1. The remainder is 1 over the denominator 28. So the answer is 1 and 1 over 28. Now, let's use the LCD method. 3 over 10 plus 2 over 5. To find the LCD of the denominator, we use the listing method. 10 and 5. Let's write down their multiples. So 10, 20, 30. And for 5, 5, 10, 15. The first common number for both 10 and 5 is 10. So that will be the LCD. So let's write 10 as the LCD. And then next step, 10 divided by 10. That is 1. Then multiply to the numerator 3. So 3 plus 10 divided by 5. 2 times 2, 4. 3 plus 4 is 7 over 10. So the answer is 7 over 10. Let's take one more example. 4 over 9 plus 1 over 6. Now, let's find the LCD of 9 and 6. If you skip count by 9, 9, 18, 27. Skip count by 6. 6, 12, 18. The first common number or common multiple of these two numbers is 18. So the LCD is 18. So 18 will be our denominator. And then 18 divided by 9, that is 2 times 4, 8. 18 divided by 6, that is 3 times 1, 3. So plus 3. 8 plus 3, that is 11 over 18. So the answer is 11 over 18. Let's try one more example. Now, let's solve it vertically. 12 and 8. What is the LCD for 12 and 8? Let's skip count by 12. So 12, 24, 36. 8, 16, and 24. So the first common numbers or common multiples of the two numbers is 24. So our LCD will be 24. Now let's write the LCD 24, 24. Then divide 24 divided by 12, that is 2 times 7, 14. 24 divided by 8, Then that is 3 times 5, 15. Then 14 plus 15, that is 29 over the denominator 24. Then simplify 29 divided by 24, that is 1. The remainder is 5 over 24. Now, let's apply the third method, that is cross-factor method. So, 15 and 12 are both divisible by 3. So, let's divide these numbers by 3. 15 divided by 3, that is 5. 12 divided by 3, that is 4. Then, 11 times 4, 44, plus 7 times 5, 35, over 15 times 4, that is 60. 12 times 5 is also 60. So our denominator is 60. And then 44 plus 35, that is 79 over 60. Then simplify 79 over 60. That will be 1 and 19 over 60. So this is the final answer. Let's take another example. 15 over 36 plus 13 over 24. 36 and 24 are both divisible by 12. Let's divide both numbers by 12. 36 divided by 12, that is 3. 24 divided by 12, that is 2. Then 15 times 2, that is 30, plus 13 times 3, 39, over 36 times 2, that is 72, 24 times 3, that's still 72. So our denominator is 72. 30 plus 39, that is 69 over 72. Let's simplify this fraction. They are both divisible by 3. So let's divide them by 3. 69 divided by 3, that is 23. 72 divided by 3, that is 24. So the final answer is 23 over 24. Thank you for watching.